Welcome to another episode of Time Tip Tuesday, where I take one of my easy 30-minute loaded potato recipes that uses only pantry items and hack it so you only have 5 to 10 minutes of work, no thawing meat, or hours of dicing veggies. This oven hack for tuna noodle casserole is so easy to throw together in 5 minutes, bake for 20, and you have a creamy, delicious tuna noodle casserole that your family will go crazy for about $1.50 a person. Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator, the I hate to cook master. And I've hacked the Martha Stewart rigged system to make delicious, quick meals using just what's in your pantry for about $1 or $2 and in just 5 to 10 minutes. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll make sure that you never have to worry about dinner again. Creamy, hearty, savory tuna noodle casserole is one of my family's favorite. Make sure you make enough because your family will definitely be asking for seconds of this delicious tuna noodle casserole. And you can play like it took you all evening, even though it only took 5 minutes to throw together. It'll be our secret. We're gonna start by preheating our oven to 425 and boiling 6 cups of water in our kettle. While those are heating up, we're going to start with a glass casserole dish. We're going to combine 1 can of drained tuna, 1 10.5-ounce can of cream of mushroom, 1 can of drained peas, a 1/4 cup of dried onions, a 1/4 cup powdered milk, 1/2 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Now we're just gonna stir it all together. All right, once you got all your ingredients all mixed together and it's looking kind of weird, but smelling so delicious and looking something like that, next we're gonna add 16 ounces of egg noodles right on top of our tuna. And by now your water should be boiling, so we're gonna pour 6 cups of boiling water right on top. And this just helps it cook super fast so that you can have dinner in a hurry. And now we're just gonna stir it all together. All right, once you got all your water, noodles, and tuna and peas all stirred together, and it's looking like this. Should be pretty full. Now we're just gonna cover it with some foil and bake it in the oven at 425 for 20 minutes. About halfway through, go ahead and give it a good stir to make sure all the noodles are covered in water. All right, it's been cooking for about 20 minutes and it's ready to go. Look at that beautiful oven hack for my tuna noodle casserole. Smells so good. So now we're just gonna stir it all together. I mean, look at that. So creamy and delicious. So now all we have to do is dish up and enjoy. Every time I make this, I forget how good it is. I remember it's good, and then I taste it and I'm like, oh yeah. Now I remember why my kids go crazy for this. So creamy and so delicious. Let me know in the comments if your family loves noodle dishes as much as mine. I've got a few that would love to top some sriracha on this, but you can personalize it any way you like. What's your favorite topping? Either way, be sure to follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time. Ow! That's really hot. I made this tuna noodle casserole to serve 5. But check out my recipes on loadedpotato.org and you can get the recipe to feed anywhere from 5 to 20 people, which is great if you have a big family or just want extra leftovers. And while you're there, check out our auto grocery calculator if you want to have this meal on hand, ready to go in your pantry, and it will calculate exactly the groceries you need to feed this and any other loaded potato meal for 1 meal for 5 people or 20 people every night for 10 years. You pick your meals, choose your meals for the week, and we do all the calculating. Even add to your Walmart or Amazon Fresh cart right from our site, all free. loadedpotato.org.